Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shade with Pure Shade. It's been a little minute. Apologies, a little under the weather, but I'm back. So I recently bought a tote and carry package. So I'm going to show you what I got and let you know what I think. So I saw that Tote and Carry has a new collection, so I was overly excited to purchase this particular item here. As you see, they have a new logo. So we're going to dig right on in. Here we go. So you can see, look at the packaging, absolutely beautiful. You know, Tote and Carry always does a phenomenal job. Like this one right here, I also want that one too. Right? You see that? That black with the yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Okay. Anyway, so I got this package right here. Oh, I'm excited to see what it looks like. Because, you know, online, you know, things can look different. But yeah, here we go. Here we go. So, ooh, y'all, are y'all ready to see what I got? Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Okay, look. Oh, Jesus. Okay, here we go. So I got this purse here. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh! It looks so beautiful. So I got this one. This is size medium. I should have got a size small because I thought the medium was going to be like the size that I was expecting. This one's a little bigger than I thought, but so as you see for yourself how big the medium size is, I'm going to get me a small, probably in another color and maybe in the plain. This is called the box purse. So yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Y'all, Tote and Carry always does a phenomenal job. Ooh, look at the inside, y'all. Beautiful. Oh, I love me some Tote and Carry, y'all. I got so much stuff from Tote and Carry. Tote and Carry, I'm telling y'all, y'all need to let me be a brand ambassador if y'all listening. But anyways, yes, absolutely love Tote and Carry. It's beautiful quality, vegan. Yes, look at this. I'm gonna be styling on the streets near you. Thank you. So yeah, this is what I got. I love it. Go buy yourself one. Again, it's the box purse. It's this is the one with the, you know, as you see, the Tote and Carry emblems on there. But they have the like plain colors, all different varieties. They have so much different types of new collections they have out. But yeah, definitely check them out for yourself. I love them. Y'all, I'm telling you, this quality is amazing. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. I think naturally. Definitely check them out. Go buy you something. You won't be sorry. Thank you guys again. Bye.